If the economy sneezes, I don't want my life catching a cold. So here are 5 financial bailouts you can build for yourself, before you need them. Let's start with the safety net you control. Bailout number 1, the emergency fund. Think of it as your personal airbag. I aim for 3 to 12 months of living expenses, parked in a high-yield savings account. 3 months if my job is stable, closer to 12 if income is variable or I've got dependents. This isn't for vacations or shiny toys. It's for layoffs, surprise medical bills, or when the car decides it's done being a car. The goal: instant access, no drama, no debt spiral. Bailout number 2, multiple income streams. One paycheck is one point of failure. Freelancing on a skill I already have. A tiny online shop, dividends from investments, a simple digital product, consulting a few hours a week, even a few $100s a month changes the math. It buys breathing room, speeds up savings, makes layoffs less terrifying. Bailout number 3, strong credit access. Good credit is not free money. It's affordable options when life gets messy. Low interest loans, flexible credit lines, better refinancing. That's temporary liquidity, bridge money. While I solve the actual problem, I keep utilization low. Pay in full. I treat credit like a fire extinguisher. Great to have, dangerous to misuse. Bailout number 4. This is the engine that quietly works while I sleep. Broad index funds, retirement accounts, bonds, real estate over time. I ignore daily noise and think in decades. Compounding is the closest thing to financial gravity. Slow at first, overwhelming later. The point isn't to time the market, it's to spend time in the market. Bailout number 5, high-value skills. Money comes and goes. Skills pay the rent. Sales, software, marketing, AI automation, copywriting, a solid trade. I learn, I build a small portfolio, I ship real projects. I ask for feedback that stings a little. When I'm skilled, setbacks are speed bumps, not dead ends. Here's the combo move. Cash reserves plus income diversity plus credit plus investments plus skills. That's a personal safety net. I stack them gradually. First, a mini emergency fund, maybe 1 month. Then I automate small investments. I build one extra income stream I can maintain even on busy weeks. I polish my credit, on-time payments, low utilization, long history, and I level up one high-value skill every quarter. Simple, not easy. Start where you are, pick one bailout this week, and make it boringly automatic. Your future self will call it a rescue mission. If this helped, tap like so more people build their safety nets, and tell me in the comments, which bailout are you starting first?